Hey people, so yesterday I went to this Isha yoga shop. You know, they have this little shop near Maritpalli, and I picked up this. It's called Kajal, that is just 1 gram, and it's called Kanmai. And if you were to take a look at my kajal, it's but I don't know, it's no, it's smearing and all, but after applying it my eyes actually feel better because I think this is made out of completely natural ingredients. And this you can hardly say about any of these shop made products. So it feels good when you wear kajal that your eyes find it nice. So and this is only 30 bucks, so I plan to now make it a regular thing to I mean, agreed at some level because it's smearing, it might look odd, but it's okay. Yeah, I think that's a small price to pay for kajal that is very soothing for the eyes. So this thing is called Kanmai, and it is just 30 bucks, and it is from the Isha Yoga shop. So I can't recommend those products enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.